Welcome back, everyone. Today we've got the Radtel RT-860G, as you can see here. Now the G on this one stands for GPS. Not all of them have GPS, but this one does. So let's get to it. Looks like here we've got the user manual. We'll go through that later. Got a antenna. Seems like pretty durable. The SMA female. Charging cradle. The USB-C cord. And this is nice. Not all of them come with this, but this one comes with the charging brick. I like that. Looks like, oh yeah. So we've got USB-C here. We've also got USB-C on the radio itself, I believe. I'll have to check that out. We got the battery. Just the battery. Belt clip. Don't know if I'll be using that or not. And the radio itself. I like the build quality. It feels pretty sturdy. Put the battery on. You got the SMA male. I believe this right here comes off. Okay, there's SMA female. So this is for receiving HF, if I'm not mistaken. And this is for all other VHF and UHF. So put that on. Sweet. Let's turn it on. Cool. That's a radio. I think I'm not sure, one of these. No, it's not that one. There it is. So this one's for our HF receive. If we press this button down here. Well, we don't have any antenna for it right now, so we're not really going to pick anything up. But that's cool because you can see it's at 10 megahertz right now, which on this one looks like it's under shortwave. If you hold this button, we got medium wave. Long wave. FM. Wow. There we go. Now I think that's just receiving from this antenna, but to receive anything for like HF, you'd have to use this one, I believe. I haven't really tested that out yet, obviously. See, there's a USB-C charging port here, and then this is going to be a K1 connector, I'm sure. So we can get that unscrewed. Oh. Yep, just pretty standard stuff. On the other side, let me get this on real quick. Looks like we've got a PTT, another PTT, and I think a function button. One thing I really do like about the Radtel radios is in some of the other models I own, you can program all of these numbers they're basically assignable. So if you want to hold this and it goes to the NOAA channel, you can do that, or if you want to hold this and it does monitor, there's just a whole option of things that you can do with it, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure how we exit. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we can find GPS, because this model's supposed to have GPS. Probably underextended. There we go. Let's just turn it on. It's like we've got the little G at the top. I'm assuming that's for GPS, but I'll have to experiment with that later. I'm not sure how the GPS function works quite yet, but seems like it's a pretty good radio. Good build quality. Like the antenna that comes with. It's not too flimsy, but you know, seems pretty durable. This also like that, just to protect your connector, you know, if you're not using another antenna. Other than that, stay tuned for some other videos of testing that I'll have to do on it. So thanks for watching.